Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by signing in and defining a clear objective for the session. This saves time and sharpens results. Once done, choose a single specific task, summarize an article, draft prompts, or debug code, and state it in one sentence. Make sure to set the assistant's tone and length expectations at the start, because that guides responses. Then open a fresh chat so the context is clean. This prevents confusion with past queries and lets you iterate faster. Now focus on prompting. Give 1 to 3 concise facts and any constraints, since details change output significantly. Once the assistant replies, ask targeted follow-ups, request an outline, then expand, or ask for a different tone, so you steer the result step by step. Make sure to attach files or enable plugins if you need source-specific answers. That brings precision. If a result is vague, ask for bullet points or examples to force clarity and workable next steps. Finish by reviewing the assistant's output and verifying any factual claims. You should cross-check numbers and names before trusting them. Once satisfied, request a condensed version, a stepwise plan, or formatting for your use. This turns raw text into action. If the reply is off, reset the chat or rephrase your prompt with clearer constraints. Often shorter prompts with examples fix issues. One tip: if answers repeat or drift, explicitly instruct the assistant to focus only on the specified.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.